Good morning, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a little day in my life. I have been on an 8-day stretch off work, which is crazy. I did like 4 in a row. And then we had our residency meeting and we only work like 2 days around that meeting. If you don't know me, I'm Abby. I work night shift in the ER. So those residency meetings like count as hours towards our education. So I only work 2 other shifts around that. So I think this is like the longest stretch I've had off for myself. I don't even know how it happened because I'm so bad at making my schedule. And it's nice to have these stretches off when you do a lot in a row. It's June 10th, 9:41. I go back to work tomorrow. So basically we're in the home stretch of it. I just finished yoga. I'm about to go to the gym. I was gonna go on a walk, but then it started raining. Have my little pre-workout. Plan for today is I'm getting lunch with my mom and her old coworker, Gabby. Shout out, around noon. She's so cute. She's in like her late 20s. She's younger. And we always like catch up with her. She has a little baby boy now, which is so sweet. So we'll get to see her, which will be so nice. And then there's supposed to be a baseball game tonight in this league my boyfriend plays at, but I don't know with the rain. My friend Laura was gonna come. So the rest of the day is TBD, but it'll be a nice kind of reset day before we go back to work. I'm so sad because yesterday I spent a lot of time editing my last video, which I needed to do, but I guess the view was like 8 and I just didn't realize because I was in my room. I mean, I had a doctor's appointment yesterday morning, so then I kind of moved my whole morning routine to the afternoon. So I got a lot of editing done in the morning, which I really liked. Went to my appointment, got some blood work, which she blew my vein. Then came home, made an iced coffee, like sat down at my desk. It was a nice routine, but I find that it's harder for me to kind of work out in the afternoon. So I don't know, maybe I'll just like try and switch it up depending on the day, the vibe. All right, let's go to the gym. Also, look, I put a little picture of myself on the dash. I love baby pictures. I feel like they are just so wholesome and kind of bring you back to your obviously childlike self, but widens your point of view of life. You're like, whoa, that was me. That is me. I'm confused, but she's adorable. Okay, anyway, let's go. All done my makeup. That's like my everyday makeup routine. Hair is wet from the shower. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm wearing this shirt from Brandy. I have these shorts from some random place in the city. They're kind of big. I don't really own many belts, so it's okay. We can do a little tuck like that. Maybe I'll kind of tie this in the back too. I'm also gonna bring my Teddy Blake bag, which I love. The leather smells so good. I do have a code. You can use my code TBABBY for 10% off. I'm going to put the link down below to their site. It's a very quality bag that you can wear all summer, all year. That's what I like about this brown too. It can be literally for any season, go with any outfit. It has this really pretty suede on the inside too, and then 2 pockets. And then inside the pockets is suede as well, so it feels really nice. It's also really cool because there are these buttons on the side, so you can keep it open if you need more room or clasp both buttons and kind of make it smaller. I'm going to put all my stuff in here, bring it to lunch, bring it around with me for the day. Make sure to check out the link down below and use my code TBABBY so you can get 10% off. Thank you to Teddy Blake. Let's show you. She can be a little handheld. She can be on the chair. We are now done lunch. lunch. It was very good. We all got poke bowls, which was funny, and Diet Cokes. So triple of the same order. We sat outside by the water. There was a pretty trail by there too, so it was nice to kind of people watch. Brought my Teddy Blake bag. My mom's making us some little sparkling waters. We're gonna get some adult stuff done that I've been avoiding, but savings account / Roth vibe, I don't even know. And then I want to go through my Google account because somehow I synced all my normal photos into my Google Photos, which I never used before, and now it's taking up like all of my storage. It's horrible. So yeah, thank you. These sparkling waters randomly appeared, probably my dad. Orange vanilla, and then there was a grape one I had yesterday. They're so good. We have Gus out here. Can't forget about her. Okay, it is now 3:33, make a wish. Got done my stuff with my mom, which was very productive. It always takes me forever to sit down and do those things, and I hate every second of it, but then once it's done, it feels so good. I was about to start the disaster, which is my room right now. Let me just show you a little sneak peek of what's happening. This is fake. Like, there is nothing under here. Just hit my leg, nothing under here, and I need to like unzip this and wash this all too. Then I was telling my mom how I went to Best Buy yesterday. I was running some errands because my mom said we had a kind of lifetime warranty to get a new screen protector, but then when I tried, they didn't find it, so I just ended up getting one, and then my mom is like, no, let's go back. So we're gonna run to Best Buy. My hair is a poof right now. Kind of want to look for a new phone case too, because I've had this one for a long time. This sticker's coming off, and I don't know, I think I have a couple old ones that I could put on here, but it's more fun getting a new one. Let's go. Truly, what is happening here? Okay, naturally I forgot to vlog. It's about an hour later, went to Best Buy. They did not have any good phone cases, but I did get a new screen protector put on through the plan, which was good. So I got to return the one that I bought yesterday, and then they put it on. So I'm gonna go through my drawer and see if I have any old phone cases. This is like taking me back. Me and my friend Lydia got matching stickers last year too. Yay! New phone case resurgence. Okay, now I say we start the process of laundry and my bed. These Beats headphones that I've had for a long time, and I literally don't even want to show you guys, but this foam part is so disgusting. And I went into Best Buy and they said you just need to get a new pair, so I need to see if that's the case. I don't know if I trust them at that store. I'm hoping I can just kind of replace this foam. I really don't want to buy another pair just for that reason, because they work fine, but I think it's just from wearing makeup with them, and I don't know, just wear and tear. Got some gum too. My mom got this big pack at Costco, so now we just have a lot of these, which is wonderful. Lovely homemade detergent. That is what we'll be using. Alright, that's our normal load. Then we have some whites here. Now I'm gonna go get my bedding as well, just so it's up here. Okay, bedding is all downstairs. I forgot I have like a duvet cover. Like I had to take it off of this basically. And we have all the pillows too. I'm gonna take these blankets downstairs because this is always overflowing and I literally never use any of these. They're also really thick winter blankets. So now that I'm in the process of like taking off my flannel sheets, I'm gonna put these winter blankets downstairs as well. And then I like keeping all this stuff, like cards and I don't know, old things. But the only storage I have for that really is over here and like over there a little bit in my room. So I'm gonna bring these to the basement as well. Then some games. I'm gonna put this downstairs. This is from our night lights event. Insert pictures here. That was actually so cute. But I don't need this in here. So I'm gonna bring all this to the basement. This is like our big storage room. I don't know if anyone else has a room like this in their basement, but it's always so unsettling. Like, what, I feel like I'm gonna die in my own house. But I have this little corner here that I just kind of store some things that I'm not using in my room anymore. All right, now time to do the whites. I'm gonna bring my hamper up. Next will be the bedding to do. Okay, it is now a little bit later, like 9:15 maybe. My hair's so frizzy, it's humid out. I just went on a long walk, took a break to eat dinner with my mom. Then we had some dessert out back, took Bella on a walk, then I went back out because the sun sets so much later, so it's nice to be outside. I just turned over my laundry. I put some like cardstock behind this picture because I've been meaning to. This cute little pink polka dot. It's my mom with my brothers. It's so adorable. Anyway, did some work on the computer, answered some emails and things. I'm gonna go finish switching over my laundry and then we can have a little self-care night together. I'm gonna do teeth whitening, I have a pore strip, eye patches, all the things, very much so needed. I'm gonna put a headband in and I'm gonna take you through my little skincare routine. I feel like I haven't done this in a while. Okay, so these are really good. You just wet one and then it turns into a little makeup wipe. Okay, I got a lot off with the makeup wipe. Now I'm gonna wash my face. I use this La Roche-Posay Purifying Foam Cleanser and I get the refill from Target, which is really nice. And it foams up so well. It feels so good on my skin. Okay, now we rinse her. Then we have a little toner I got from Target. This one has witch hazel in it. Look how much more that got off, which is good. I might do another. This stuff kind of smells bad. I recently got it. Just trusting the process. I need babies. Wait, look at that. I might need to do a third. Why is my makeup wipe not getting it off? Or the cleanser. You know what, that may be the best we're gonna do right now. Then we do a little washing. Well, I'll put this moisturizer on first. This is like a carrot cream. I got this Glow Recipe avocado serum and I will use this to gua sha. And I have this one, I'll go with like that, and then this one, which I'll roll. Then lastly, I'll use this Avene water spray. Really set it all in. I also have this e.l.f. eye cream, and then I'm gonna do some eye patches with it. These are reusable by Pacifica. And that is my whole routine. Also going to brush my teeth and then do some whitening strips. Also, before we do the whitening strips, I'm going to put on some pimple patches because I need them. But it's such an odd spot. Okay. Look how cute. 30 minutes. Upper or lower. Interesting. I haven't seen these. Lower wrap. Ooh, these are intense. Good morning, guys. It is currently Thursday, the morning before my work stretch. I thought I'd continue this vlog because I don't know how many clips I got yesterday, but I had a very relaxing night. As you guys saw, went on a long walk and then finished up some of the things I wanted to get done yesterday. Did a lot of wash, all new bedding, which is great. I got these hair, skin, and nail gummies at Target, like the mini one, because I've been seeing them. So I'm gonna take 2 of these. I had a little yogurt bowl this morning, some watermelon, delicious. And we are going to head to the gym, then yoga, then I think me and Justin are gonna go on a little walk, get some smoothies, and then I will hit the hay, get some sleep before work.
Find a way. But Outlook, Google, Meta, I don't know, works.
All right, it is now around 1:05. Went to the gym, hot yoga, then we got some smoothies, went on a walk. We actually went to a thrift store too because it was like in that shopping center where the smoothies were. So good morning. I just put together some chia seed pudding my dad makes and then some strawberries. So I'm going to eat this and then try and sleep. It's always hard on the first day because you're on a normal schedule, especially for me, being off 8 days and being on a normal schedule that long. So we'll give ourselves some grace, see how long we can sleep before the shift tonight. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little reset day into this morning. I love you so very much, and I will see you soon for some nursing content. That is what I want to focus on now, and I will see you in the next one.